doing today? I hope you are fine today. It's English time. Okay, now today we are going to learn about the other animals, but this is wild animals that live in the jungle, or you can see it in the zoo. Okay, now the first animal that you are going to learn is lion. 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 Good job. Next is tiger. 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 Very good. And then we have monkey. 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 Good. And it is gorilla. 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 Yeah, it's very big, yeah. And snake. 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 It's very dangerous. And then we have zebra. 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 Good job. And then big animal is elephant. 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 Then we have crocodile. 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 Very good. And the long neck is giraffe. 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 Good. And this one is big animal too. Hippopotamus. 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 Or we can make it short. Hippo. 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 Now we're going to sing a song. Okay? Let's stand up.
Let's take a walk in the jungle.
Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid.
One step, two steps, three steps forward. One step, two steps, three steps back. Stop. Listen.
What sound is that?
What's that?
What's that?
It's a frog. We're not afraid,
is this? Can you guess? Okay, let's open one by one. What animal is this? Let's see the second one, yeah? Oh, I know. Can you guess it? Lion! Yay! Good job, kids. It's a lion. Okay, next picture. Do you know what picture is this? Let me guess. What picture? Yeah, the first. I don't know. Okay, second. Let's open. On the tree. Let's see. Monkey! Yay! Good job, kids. Now the third one. Okay, let's see. I think I know. It has stripe. What is this? What is that? Do you know what is this game? Yes, good. It's zebra. Good job. Last one. Okay. What is it, Miss Anita? Okay, let's open the box. What is that? Oh, okay. Has a big ear. Do you know? It's a trunk. So it is elephant. Good job, kids. It's an elephant. Yay! You're done. Yeah, you did a great job. Okay, after this, Santa will tell you about your worksheet. So please listen, okay? Okay, K1 kids, please prepare your worksheet about what animals, and you may also prepare markers. Yeah. Now, the instruction is help to find the wild animals' feet. Oh, so you have to find the feet. Yeah, the correct feet. Okay, this one is zebra. Yeah, and this one is lion. And this one is chom chom chom. It's crocodile. And last one is giraffe, who has a long neck. Yeah. Okay. First, Sanita will give you example. Yeah. This is zebra. Zebra has a stripe. Let's find which feet has a stripe. Is this? No. This one? No. This one? Yeah. Good job. Okay, let's make a line from the zebra to find his feet. Okay. The zebra find his feet. Now you have to help three other animals, who hasn't find their feet. Okay, for lion, crocodile, and giraffe. It's very easy, right? Okay, don't forget to write your name too if you have finished. My name is, and then circle your class. Yeah, if you like, you can color the picture too. Okay, that's all, children. See you again next week. Bye-bye.